I often wonder if the Black Lives Matter protesters regret their decision to protest in the hot, boiling sun during the months of June, July, August of 2020 in the wake of George Floyd's death. You see, they were the advertisers, inadvertently, the advertisers for the Black Lives Matter movement. They were the catalyst for people giving money to the Black Lives Matter Global Network Foundation and all of the Black Lives Matter chapter organizations during this time period. Had it not been for them protesting every day for months, the money wouldn't have come into the organizations. So I wonder how they feel knowing that $90 million was wasted that they helped to generate.